How to save your favorite restaurants on Grubhub. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can save your favorite restaurants in Grubhub. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, open up your Grubhub app. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Then you can start searching for the restaurants that you like. So let's say that you like McDonald's. If you like McDonald's, if you're on this section, you'll find this heart icon right besides that very restaurant. If you tap on it, it will be saved to your home. That is basically a favorited that very restaurant. So you can keep on searching. You'll find a lot of different options. And after that, now if you want to find so let's say I'm just searching for restaurants. So I'll just search Mexican and it'll show me lists like this. Now when this are on list, the case is same. You'll basically find the heart icon right besides it. You can tap on the heart and now it's been saved to your home. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you can favorite your restaurants. So you can find those. You can keep on searching. And yeah, if you tap on sort, you will find other restaurants. You can tap on the rating. You can find better restaurants that you can favorite. And the process is basically same. So if you open up a restaurant like this, you'll find the favorite option right above here. You will see the heart icon, tap on it, and you've just favorited that restaurant. And yeah, that's basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye. Take care.